We are done for the day. Couple of comments I wanted to just make to get us thinking about tonight, so a little bit of homework for tomorrow morning. One is that none of us is really happy with the name that we put on the session. We knew that was but I haven't heard one that really fits the bill yet either. Direct to patients, we're not always doing things direct to patients. Technology enabled, yes, but it doesn't always have to involve new technologies. I mean, the one thing that we have talked about that is redesigning, it's human-centered design, right? It's redesigning around the human. So maybe that's the theme that we think about and making things, anyway, that's for you all to consider in terms of the name. The other is in terms of what we do with data and all that. We have put together a list. We've obviously missed a bunch of stuff, some that you don't want us to know about, but a lot that you do. So we need to actually share more information about what has been done and what lessons have been. At least that's one thing that we will definitely generate from this, a starting point. It won't be complete, but at least some places people can go to say, well, who did that study? Can I call them up? So please let Ishan, where's he? There. In the back row. So he'll find folks and get more information so we can fill that in. And then this group at the end, we can decide what we want to do, right? So there will be a book that comes out that reviews all the things that were said, and it'll include this listing of ongoing trials. If that's not enough, if we think more needs to be done, we need to define something, folks need to put together an opinion piece that gets out in a bit. Absolutely, we can start to talk about that, but people are obviously free to do that on their own. Okay, one last point. The Christmas tree lighting is very close, so it's right over here. So that means all these streets are closed. So even if it was a taxi or Uber or something that you were going to take, just think again, if you're going to go on the other side of that, and think about maybe using the Metro. The Foggy Bottom stop is the closest one. We will see you tomorrow at 8:45. Thank you all for a great discussion today.